Way to get the inside scoop.
Yeah, it's like I basically work here. Hello.
Hello.
At this time,
Is it a B&M?
I think so.
Looks like it.
Hey Wes, is that Orion?
Yeah, I think it is. Wait, that's not Dragster?
Dragster?
That's not the new one coming to Hershey Park?
Candymonium? Panda, whoa, Nelly.
To walk your wrinkly little poodle cock. If I were your mother, I'd drown your ass in boiling water. You're a sack of putrid shit. Dig a hole, jump in it. You really don't deserve to be left alive. So hold your breath until you're blue. Fuck your mom and sister too. Your family and friends will all die because of what you've done. The 20.